It's recording. We're doing Andis Ultra Edge, changing the blade drive and the hinge. And hopefully this goes better than the last thing we did.
Is this the other pair of clippers?
Yeah, these clippers are old, but they haven't been used in 3 years. So we're gonna just change the parts just in case they suck. Which reminds me, I gotta get a toothbrush. Keep that there, those there. This comes off. Right there. Take this off. Here's the old one. This piece is, you keep that piece. Clean it with a toothbrush. Okay. And we're gonna look at the old one. Moves, it's not too bad. It moves a little bit. And they really shouldn't move that much. So I'm just gonna throw that one away. Then you just have to remember where it was. This has lube or something on it. That's normal. You just put that back. So put this back. Just trying to remember what goes where. This goes here. And this goes here. Screw it back in. Don't screw it in so tight that you won't be able to unscrew it. That's what we were having problems with my other clippers. And then we stripped one of the screws. You want it in tight, but not so tight that you can do it. Okay, so now we're gonna flip to the other side. So if your clippers are ever not working, make sure these pieces, these tiny little pieces here, okay,
All right.
are in these tiny little holes right here. Sometimes they'll come out, especially when you're changing your stuff. So you plug them in and you put that over and make sure they've both gone through. And this goes like this. And you get your screws here and here. You screw this on. And you change your blade drive more than you change your hinge. I don't know what the status of these clippers are because it's been forever. And you need to change them. It depends on how often you groom. If you groom pretty frequently, probably every 3 months. Can you pause the video real quick? You ready? Mm-hmm. Now we'll just see if it worked. Fan works. These are kind of loud though, but they're old. The end.